Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Here in this video, we are going to know how to prepare avocado egg bake. Avocado egg is a perfect breakfast. The avocado becomes so creamy. This dish is also substantial enough to be served as a meatless dinner. Add avocado and it's not just delicious but also extra satiating. That's why if you consider baked avocado egg as the perfect breakfast, it's very flavorful and so wonderfully filling. It's also a gorgeous looking dish. If you like it to serve it when you host for a brunch, everyone raves about it. You can cook avocado and baked avocado is really delicious. The idea might sound unappealing, it certainly sounded questionable at first. But baking avocado makes exceptionally soft and creamy. It also enhances the flavor. The ingredients you need to prepare this avocado egg bake are you'll only need a few simple ingredients to make this tasty kiddo breakfast. You just love these recipes with a short ingredients list. The exact measurements are included in the recipe card below. If you prefer avocados which are creamier and less watery than any other varieties, eggs. Normally use large eggs, but in this case, the smaller are better so that it can fit inside the avocado cavity. To season them, some kosher salt or freshly ground black pepper and red pepper flakes. For garnishing, fresh chopped parsley. How to make this avocado egg? The idea is really simple. You start by cutting an avocado in half. Remove the pit and some of the flesh, making a cavity big enough to accommodate an egg. Pour an egg into each cavity, then bake until the egg whites are set. It's a good idea to line your baking dish with parchment paper. This will prevent sticking and will also make cleanup easier in case some of the egg spills over to the pan. Thanks for watching our video and please don't forget to subscribe our channel.